Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make espresso coffee, updated. Start by dosing 18 grams of finely ground coffee into a preheated portafilter, then tamp firmly and evenly. Purge the group head briefly, lock the portafilter in, and begin extraction immediately. Aim for 25 to 30 seconds to yield 30 to 40 grams of espresso, watching for a steady syrupy flow. Taste and adjust grind or dose as needed. Fresh grinding is the key to balanced espresso, so grind immediately before brewing and weigh 18 grams for a double shot. Use a consistent tamping routine and a level bed to avoid channeling during extraction. Change grind size in small steps when shots run outside the 25 to 30 second window, and always record settings so you can repeat a result you like. If you are finding this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to support more practical coffee tips. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep your feet comfy during long cafe shifts and at-home brewing sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a pair if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Extraction is both science and feel, so watch the stream and listen for the right sound as it pours. Aim for a syrupy start that transitions to a steady amber stream, stopping at 30 to 40 grams for a balanced double. For milk drinks, steam milk to about 60 to 65 degrees C until you have velvety microfoam, then swirl to integrate crema and milk for a smooth cup.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.